What's up mga idol? Gagawin na sa tayo. Wala yung reviewer ko idol na nag-review ako sa AppSat mga idol yan. So ito yung mga answer key yan. Nakita nyo naman. Work ito na lang umaga mga idol.
This is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night and there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it.
Ito muna tayo idol.
To see if I succeed, to see if I believe.
Ayusin natin ito natin na idol.
They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Ayan. 5 AM eksakto na ito mga idol.
I swear to God, man,
Ito guys.
make it soon.
3.2 kilometers ka ba itong daan pero pad to ay pabas ito dire sa papaliksad sa dalawa 2 times tayo nagbalik 20 minutes na jogging idol 3.2 kilometers Santa Cruz to municipal 2 times 20 minutes darating